Good morning, love.
I'm just trying to get up with you. With you. With you. I'm just trying to get up with you.
I think it's Saturday now. I don't know. I'm not really keeping track of my days anymore because social distancing sucks. Anywho, today I'm just going to do probably a combination of a vlog and a hair tutorial. So I'm just about to throw on some clothes really quick, hop in the shower, then throw on some clothes in that order specifically. And then do some, not really something with this hair. I'm more so just going to throw some conditioner in my hair because my hair needs to be conditioned. I'm trying to do conditioner in my hair now that I've colored my hair at least like once a week. So I'm about to put some conditioner in my hair, do kind of like a wash and go type of thing, and then after that I will actually style my hair. So let me go ahead, hop in the shower, throw on some clothes, all that great stuff, and I'll see you when I get back. Okay, so it's been like 3 hours, I think, since I put it's been like 4 hours since I put the conditioner in my hair. I just rinsed it out. I've been cleaning my house and stuff, and now I'm kind of winding down because I've been up since like 3:30. No, since like 3, maybe even 2:30. Anywho, I've been up forever, so I'm gonna take a nap. But want to make sure that I went ahead and gave y'all this tutorial on my hairstyle. So here we go. So to begin, I am putting leave-in conditioner, that's the As I Am leave-in conditioner, into my hair to help detangle my hair. You'll see me grab my comb. I'm going to part my hair in sections so that I can detangle my hair as best as possible. Sorry that I keep stepping out of frame. I have a very hard time parting my hair in front of the camera. So instead of parting in front of the camera, I always step into my mirror so I can make sure that my parts are as straight as possible. So you'll notice whenever I am parting my hair, I keep pulling the two sections of hair apart to make sure that my part is as straight as possible. One of the biggest mistakes that you can make when you're doing styles like this is parting your hair and not checking to see what it looks like after your hair is tight. So that's why I pull my hair as tight as possible to make sure that my parts are as straight as possible. So once I've made sure that my part is straight, I place half of my hair into a ponytail while I go through the detangling process. The second section of my hair, I part once again so that I can properly detangle my hair. I put the back half into a ponytail, and then I grab my leave-in conditioner and saturate my hair in leave-in conditioner, making sure that I'm locking in as much moisture into my hair as humanly possible. So once I've put the leave-in conditioner in my hair, I go in with my paddle brush just to detangle all of that section of my hair. So once you have placed the leave-in conditioner in your hair and you have detangled, go in with your favorite oil, whether it be coconut oil, almond oil, extra virgin olive oil, whatever you use, just to seal that moisture into those hair follicles so that your hair remains moisturized while it is in your protective style. So once I've completed that one section of my hair, I go in and I do the other section of my hair. I'm not going to show you guys what it looks like because you've already seen the process. So I'm just going to fast forward straight to the next part of styling my hair. So once I have finished detangling my hair, I'm going to begin the styling process. Starting off, I'm going to make a part in the front of my hair, almost a diagonal part. You'll see me trying to correct it in the mirror instead of doing so in the camera because, again, the struggle is real. But once I am pleased with that front part, I put the back section of my hair into a ponytail so that I can focus on the front ponytail. I'm going to go in with my main choice styling gel, which I'm showing you here, and I'm just going to put it all around the perimeters of the front little ponytail that I made so that I can slick it down as much as possible. Then I'm going to go in with my brush it on down, try and get it as flat as possible. And then I'm going to go in, which you'll see in a second, with my small rubber bands. Ladies, I do not recommend small rubber bands unless you are using them for small styles that will not last long. These rubber bands tend to break your hair off. So I usually don't use these, but for this style, it kind of requires it. So I made the small ponytail in the front of my hair. I take out the big section of the ponytail in the back, and I make another part down the middle, again trying to get it as straight as possible. So once I'm pleased with that part, I split this middle section into 2 ponytails, which are required for this style. You'll see me once again step out of frame so I can make sure that this middle part is straight. And once I feel that I have it straight, I kind of leave one section to the side so that I can focus on one ponytail at a time. I go in once again with my main choice gel to slick down this ponytail, making sure it is as smooth as possible. Once I have applied that gel, I go in with my brush just to brush it down once again. And then you will see the next part of the process is splitting this front ponytail into 2 sections, because each half of this front ponytail is going to go into the subsequent ponytail that follows. So I put this first section in with the small ponytail, get my rubber band once again, and I make a little ponytail out of all of these pieces of hair. While you're doing this second ponytail, I just want to mention, make sure you get those edges laid, honey. You want them as laid as humanly possible. So again, you grab that second piece of hair from the front ponytail and you place it into this second ponytail. So once you have the 3 ponytails in the front completed, you take down that back section and you're essentially going to do the exact same thing. Go in with your gel. Once you go in with your gel, you go in with your brush, brushing all of the edges, making sure that it's slick. I also go in after this with the paddle brush because I want my puff balls to be as big as possible. So I like to separate my hairs in the back to make them bigger. Go in one more time with my soft bristle brush, grabbing all of the sections of hair from the front and placing them into this bigger ponytail, utilizing a ponytail holder rather than a little rubber band. After you've put in the big ponytail, you can kind of fluff out your hair just to make it as big as possible. You'll probably end up having to do it again after you tie your hair down, but it's not a bad idea to try and fluff it out initially as well. I get some of these little gold things. I have no idea what they're called, but you know what I'm talking about. I get some of these little gold things and I put them on these ponytails just to give my hair a little bit more style so that I don't look like a little kid by the head. So this is the unfinished look. Last thing I usually do is go in, do my edges as much as I can, and then tie my hair down, leave it tied down for as long as I'm asleep. I'll probably be asleep like 2 hours or maybe 3. As long as I'm asleep, leave my hair tied down, then take it off and fluff out my ponytails, and boom. So I'll come back to y'all with the complete look after I wake up from my nap and put my contacts in and do my makeup and all of that to show y'all what it looks like. So I'll be back.
3 days later.
So before I forget, I'm about to go to virtual brunch with my friends, but this is my completed look. I'm a little upset because my edges, I had laid them really nicely, y'all, and I struggle with my edges. I struggle with laying my edges, but I laid them so nicely, and then I fell asleep. And black girls, you understand my struggle when I say my scarf kept falling off all night. So my edges didn't get as laid as I would like them to, but they're not terrible. But this is the complete look of my hair. If you like this look, give me a thumbs up. Go and look at my first YouTube video. And if you have any other looks or anything that you suggest, comment them down below. Let me know how you feeling about this hairstyle. Is you feeling it, or is you feeling like I look like a 5-year-old? Because I kind of feel a combination of both. I'm not gonna lie. I'm a fine 5-year-old. That's all that matters. So comment, like, subscribe, share, all of that great stuff. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you on the next video.
You didn't know my feelings for you are strong. I just can't